not whiten your composite bonding. Resin doesn't change color over time. It is impossible to whiten your composite bonding. So composite is a white resin and it does not change color over time. Of course, your lifestyle habits are going to have a huge impact on how well that bonding looks year after year. So if you're a smoker, you maybe want to, quit smoking. Or if you have a lot of red wine, tea and coffee, you may want just to cut that down a bit, because that will of course sustain your bonding a lot more. And although you cannot whiten your bonding, there are certainly some things that you can do to keep it nice and looking fresh. So for example, you should see your dental hygienist at least twice a year. Dental hygienists will use very mild and gently abrasive, sort of like cleaning agents that will remove any deeper sort of pigmentation and stain onto the bonding, as well as onto your teeth, of course. They will ensure that the gums are nice and healthy, but also they will give you some nice tips on how to clean between your teeth, which will then minimize the risk of stain between your teeth. But what you do at home is really, really important. So you should be brushing with an electric toothbrush, because the vibration of the toothbrush really gets everywhere and picks up all of the stain. You should be using a water flosser to remove the stain between the teeth, and you should be flossing or using incidental brushes on a daily basis. But if that isn't enough, you really should come and see your dentist, because we are able then to do another polish every so often, just to buffer the surface of the composite bonding and to pick up any stain and to make that surface look nice and shine and smooth again, just like it was in the beginning. But it's really down to you how you maintain it moving forward. That is going to have a huge impact on how successful those bonding